Hi everyone, I'm jumping on again. I just did a paper pumpkin video and then I realized sitting next to me, my husband put a box that came UPS that had some things in it, and one of the things it had is a new kit from the Kits collection. So the Kits collection is different than the paper pumpkin subscription. Paper pumpkin is a monthly thing. It's a new kit each month. You subscribe by the 10th in order to get it, and so it's kind of a once in a while, not once in a while, but you get it and then it's gone. It's not something you can order all the time. But then on the online store at stampinup.com, which you can get through, there's a little clickable button on this video, the YouTube video, like under my header, and you can get to my store, or you can go through my Facebook page or my blog. And in that one, there's kits that are available, and you can buy multiples of the kit, and you can order it along with other things. So it's not a separate paper pumpkin thing. It's a kit that you can order with your regular order. So if you're ordering some paper or some stamps, you can throw a kit in there. And there's all kinds of kits, and they've added a couple Christmas ones. I showed a Christmas kit last week, and now there's another Christmas kit. And so I wanted to show it to you because this one is adorable. They're all adorable. There's some that are good for different occasions too. There's some pretty ones. There's some cutesy ones. There's kits that are nautical, kind of masculine, different things. So it's kind of nice. Take a look at the Kits collection. And there's easy ones. Some of them are more expensive and they have stamps and ink spots and a little block. And then there are some that are less expensive that don't even require stamping because the labels are already made. So then you're assembling and kind of putting together, but there's not stamping. So it kind of depends on what you're in the mood for. Sometimes you just want to put some cards together quickly and less expensively, and then those are great. Or you can do something that has some stamping. Okay, so this one is called Love Santa, and it's a tag kit. Now the great thing about tag kits, in my opinion, we've had tag kits almost every holiday season with Stampin' Up, and I like them because you can use them for tags on your gifts. But then, if you run out, like maybe you have, this makes, let's see, 1, 2, 3, okay, so it makes 12. So maybe you only need 6 tags or 10 tags and you have leftovers. The tags themselves are really cute to use on other projects. So you can make it into a scrapbook page. Look how cute Santa is. Or you can make a card. You can cut the tag out and then just snip off the little hanger part and use it on a card front, and it's not a tag anymore. It's now a card. So that's what's fun about the tag kits, in my opinion, because they're so versatile. And these are really cute ones. So I want to show you. There's a Santa, there's a tree, there's a cute little car with presents. There's that one, and then there's this big one here that I believe gets a bird. Let me see if I can find the instructions. Oh, it gets a holly berry. Okay, so this one, and this one does have some stamping. So on this, there's little accent pieces that you have to stamp on, and so you can put Love Santa on that one, and it's got little gems that you can put in his beard to make it sparkle. This one says Joy, and you can add, different things on that. Merry and Bright, and Special Delivery. Really cute, 3 of each, and like I said, you can turn them into something else once you've used the tags. Then you've got extra pieces to use wherever you like. Here's the little gems that come with it, a little sparkle that you could put in the tree. How cute. Like some of the ornaments will be glistening with the sparkle that you're adding. So that's really fun. You get some twine, so when you're using it as a tag, you've got to have something to tie it on with. The stamp set is really cute. So once you're done with this kit, you've still got your stamp set that you're going to use again and again. It comes with glue dots. This one is like all encompassing. You don't need anything else unless you're going to turn it into something else like a card. So you've got Merry, Joy, Love Santa. Let's see, what do these little ones say? To and From, Special Delivery, and Bright, which goes with the Merry, or Merry Christmas. So really cute. And then a giant kind of pine bough, some little holly, and a little gift package there. So really cute kit. Now with this one, there's 2 different ones, which is kind of crazy. It's a fun little thing that they've done here. So you've got this one, it's the tag kit, and it comes with all of this. There we go. Let's make sure it's all in there so you can see it comes with everything you need. Or you can get a different kit that's treat bags. How fun is that? So it's got like the tags but then it also has treat bags. And these bags are printed with some holiday looking imagery that matches the stamp set. So you've got that giant pine bough, and you've got things that match the card bases that are already on there. So you've got these treat bags, which you can fill up with different things. Now these are food safe, so you can fill them up with candy, or maybe you make popcorn balls, I don't know. And look, there's different ones. There's a tree, and there's kind of a little check. I don't know if there's 3 or 4, let's see. Oh, and dots. So I'm not sure which one would go with Santa. So you can get the tag kit with just tags. You can get the tag kit that comes with treat bags. You can also buy separately treat bags in case you want to, you want more treat bags. So there's just a really good selection of new little kits, and I just wanted to point them out to you because I love the treat bags. I'm going to use these for, like, I don't know, cookies or something. I always make homemade things at Christmas time, so I know I'm going to make some kind of yummy treats for the kids at Sunday school, or for the teachers or family members, just some kind of edible thing. I had a friend make us popcorn balls, and I never made popcorn balls before. Probably, maybe you have. They're simple and delicious and yummy. A little sticky, but good. So maybe that would fit in there. So you can see how there's different ways to use the kits. So take a look at that. There's another Christmas card kit, and there's all kinds of kits. There's butterflies, there's just different things. So take a look in the online store, go to the kits collection, and you'll see, and these kind of sell out. So they come in, a new kit will come in, and then it'll sell out, and then another new kit will come in, but it stays in the store for a while. I don't know how long the Christmas ones will stay in the store. I kind of have a feeling the Christmas ones will sell out faster than some of the other kits. So take a look at what's available, and then check back in whenever you're shopping. Every once in a while, go in that kits collection section and see what's there, because there's all kinds of fun things. And then if you really like kits a lot, think about subscribing to Paper Pumpkin, where you get new kits once a month. They come delivered to you. It's a surprise, and you get a nice little crafting break. Thanks for watching. If you ever have any questions about the kits collection or any other things, let me know. I'm happy to talk stampy things with anyone. Bye.